Alphabet animals and their sounds, brought to you by IceWorkz. Hi, my name is Toby. I am going to show you the names of animals that starts with the alphabets, A to Z. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for koala. L for lion. M for monkey. N for newt. O for octopus. P for panda. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for xeris. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Now you know the names of animals in alphabetical order. See you in my next episode.